Goodnotes has a sticky notes feature built directly into the app. So let me show you how to use that to make sticky notes in your digital planner. So let's say that you wanted to add a sticky note to your digital planner and you didn't want to use a sticker for this. You just wanted to use in their built-in sticky note feature. All you have to do is tap on the sticky note toolbar right here, choose whatever color you want, and then tap wherever you want it to be. And now it's going to create the sticky note here. And you can make it as big or as small as you want. And then you just tap and you can start typing in it and type whatever you want into it. You can change the color of your text, the size of your text, your font, if you want it bold, italics, how you want it aligned, and if you want it to have bullets or numbers. And then once you're done with editing, you just tap off of it. Now you can resize it, move it around. And then you have some different options here where you can close it or open it. So if you want to close it, it's kind of like right there. You can't see it super well. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but you can click on it to open it whenever you want to. You also have the option to change all of your settings here as well. So you can change it to a different color sticky note if you want. You can change the font if you want to. So the font changed when I clicked that. I'm going to tap off, edit it again. Change it to a different font. You can make it bold. You can cut it, paste it back, and then you can duplicate it if you want to. You can delete it, and then you also have your 3 dots here that gives you all the options here, and then a few more by like moving it to the front and back. So that's how you can create a sticky note and use it in Goodnotes.